Hello friends, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So this is the first video of 2022. Wish you a very happy new year guys. So I wish you become successful this year and make the best returns out of it. So this video is about one particular stock which I have put on watch list. This is kind of a potential stock and if things go well, you can buy it during the breakout or at a different place. I'm going to explain you in detail about where you can enter, where you can put your stop loss. Before that, please make sure to like this video, and if this video hits 15k likes, I will do a similar video like this. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section, and also please share this channel with all your friends. Thank you so much. Okay friends, so the stock is none other than Vedanta Limited. This is daily time frame, and let me just select this and draw this pattern. If you look at this, at the bottom there has been more than 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 times it has been taking a support at this trend line, and there is also kind of a triangle pattern here. So what we could do is either wait for this to break out or wait for this to touch this point. So you can either enter here or you can wait for the breakout and then enter, and if the candle is too big, wait for again kind of a retrace and then you can take a re-entry. So this is not a call, please don't enter blindly. I'm not responsible for your loss or your profits, okay? This is just an analysis video, and I thought this is a potential stock that you can put it on your watch list, okay? The reason why I have selected this is because of the obvious reason. The stock has been trending right after the corona crash, right? It has been on a very good trend, and let's see how much it has gone up right from this point. 440 450%, which is already too much, but I think the trend is still there because there is no sign of any bearishness. You can see that there is only, even if you look at the weekly time frame, it doesn't look bearish and it is somewhat close to its previous resistance. Let's try to draw this. Okay, let me go to monthly. It's completely random, so let's leave it. Let's look at weekly. Okay, so the target could be this too. Okay, just a second. Just a second guys. Okay, so if it is breaking out here, the first target could be here. Okay, it could take a resistance from this trend line, so please be aware of that as well. Okay, what else? That's it. My analysis, that's simple. We draw patterns, we measure the risk, and we enter and we wait. That's the hardest part. You have to wait until you get a good profit. Okay, so if you look at the previous small triangle pattern, it was a very good breakout, right? Look at this. Let's say you bought it here, or you would have put your stop loss below this, and look at it, a very good move. Let's not hope for the same move. Even if we get just half of what we have gotten previous time, that is more than enough, right, for us. So let's hope for the same. And yes, please make sure to like this video, and I'll come up with many other videos once this video hits at least 15k likes. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching this video with patience. See you soon with another video.